Okay, today we're going to make a pancake with Ajay Tashwan. Alright, so I saw this recipe and then YouTube. Later I'll share the link below. So what we need is vanilla
and
baking powder,
pure
honey,
and we
full
have
cream milk,
and
cooking oil, flour,
and
sugar, and then an egg. Right? So we start making.
Hi.
We crack one egg.
It's a quarter cup of sugar. I'm going to put it in the egg and stir it.
Put on. Stir until it gets fluffy. Then we stir egg and sugar. Just pour inside. Okay. We need half tablespoon of vanilla essence.
That's all.
Alright, so it's enough. Okay, just pour it inside.
Now?
Okay, next we need to add 2 spoons of oil. Okay, 1 spoon. 1 more spoon.
Let me mix it. A half cup of milk. I'm going to pour it in this mixture. I know it looks weird, but it is what we need.
Okay, we need to add 1 cup of flour. So don't drip it. Okay, add on
Baking soda in the flour.
half spoon of baking soda.
In the flour. Or mixing the flour with the eggs.
All the ingredients, you have to mix it.
And then put it on a frying pan. And now we have
to mix it well.
Yeah, we really mix it well first. Mix it very, very well. The mixture is so fluffy.
This is quite easy to make because you don't need a butter for it. So we just put oil.
We just put butter on top of the waffle. I mean pancake.
We use oil. So let's see how it turns out
afterwards, and I will taste it and I'll say how good it is.
Okay, I think we got the consistency. Let's try.
Out the frying pan. We are buttering the frying pan to put the mixture for the pancake. I'm not going to do it. I'm not, because I'm more little to put it on the stove. I can't even touch the stove. Look. Pancake we are going to do. The pancake is ready. We are going to flip the pancake upside down. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's burned.
Okay, we get the first one burned.
Yeah, that's a failure. But hopefully it tastes good. Yeah, just close it. We are going to pour the honey on top. Honey.
Enough. Don't put a lot.
Okay.
Okay, try it.
It tastes.
Blow this. Is it hot?
It's good.
Nice?
Yeah.
Alright. We made it. Even though the pancake is little burnt. But it tastes good. Okay, you just can't stop eating. Say bye, Darshan.
Bye. But I can't stop eating it. It's so good. I can't stop eating it.
Is it taste burnt?
No.
No, huh?
It is burnt. It doesn't taste burnt.
Right. We made our first try pancake successfully.
It's not satisfactory, but it's burnt. But it tastes so.